it's funny. It's hard for me to talk about stuff that I do. I'm not comfortable with it. But our theater, we've had from all kinds of schools, private entities that have kids come that have just say disabilities, and they kind of get a work experience. So they're not doing major heavy lifting jobs, but they're doing things, and they get the feel, and they see customers coming and going, and it's just part of being a community, and I have no ego in the game. I got to get my shot in for the project going on at the Woodley Chase project there, where they Erickson Living donated plot of land. I was on a committee for a year and a half that decided to put up a rec center that would be for disabled and everybody else.
Right.
And 4.2 acres, 35,000 square foot building, and looking for those big checks, and we did not meet the deadline, so I'm kind of bummed about that. But and I have no ego in that. It's not what it's about. It's just the people in the county. This is one of the greatest counties in the country, which should have something like this. It's not been done anywhere, mostly in the East Coast, with a building dedicated like this. Fairfax County should have it. Anyway, that's one of my big passions.
Okay.